This is the Away the Everywhere bag. Arrived. So here's what it comes like in the box. Similar to the suitcase, only cardboard box instead of the big white box. But they put it in a nice Away bag. Similar to the suitcases, the hard side. I got the black, there it is inside the box. So I'll pull it out here for you and show you the inside. This is the black, the Everywhere bag. Front side. This, I believe, is the part that would go over the handle if you have an Away bag. And an outside pocket. Here's the inside. Apologies, it's hard to hold open, but this is like the laptop sleeve. And then, if I can get the angle for you, there's a pocket on the left and a bigger one on the right. And then, on the bottom, there's a flap. Looks like. Oh, that just goes there. Here's a maybe for keys, key leash. And then in here, another pocket, and a zippered compartment that runs the whole length. And then the inside is kind of like a shoe bag size. I'll zoom out. It's not huge. I'll put it on top of my suitcase so you can see scale. But it looks like you could fit stuff in it on your suitcase and then shove it under the seat. And this you could get access to. Again, it's that pocket with two outer pockets. The Away the Everywhere bag. I slipped my laptop in here to show you this laptop sleeve. I think mine is a 12 or 13 inch. So you can see there's some room down there. You could fit a slightly bigger one. So I think, and there is some padding, I feel. So that would be the laptop sleeve. And then you've got space. It looks like it holds its shape even without the padding. And these appear to be maybe synthetic leather. Here's the Everywhere bag on the bigger carry-on. So there's the side view. It's empty, it just arrived. But you can see it fits on there nice, just slightly wider. And there's the inside again, that's the laptop compartment. And it looks like this sleeve will just hold it so you don't even have to hold it on. And I'll show you the slip-on. And I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Here. There. There's the slip on and slip off. So that's the everywhere bag on the bigger carry-on. For reference, the everywhere bag on the carry-on Expandable, the slightly smaller, still fits good, and there's the bigger carry-on next to it. And I'll give you the twirl view here. Hangs over a little bit, just like the other one, but looks like it would ride well. And again, it's empty right now. And there's the sleeve and the inside. So hope that gives you some idea of the scale if you're thinking about getting the everywhere bag.